Hello, and this is my BTN on Minecraft. Just if you've heard of the show, I may stuff up a bit, so just stay with me. I've been looking at how much countries spend on the military and armies, practically the same thing, and how much they spend, and how much the military spend on each of the creations or things, such as tanks, aeroplanes, bunkers, and stuff like that. So lots of people are practically just spewing the army with gold. And right now I'm going to show you how much they do spend on different things. The first thing I'm going to is a air control tower. And they spend up to $200,000 on these. It may seem a bit much, but compared to all the stuff they stick inside these, they end up to quite a lot. Then, next, the thing that they do, trouble getting through doors. The next thing is a bunker. Now, they spend quite a lot on these, not as much as a lot more than you expected. They spent up to dig and build them, they spend $1,200, because usually they have like sleeping quarters and supplies. Now I'm going to my huge aeroplane.
Right, it's almost bedtime.
And now this is a runway actually costs quite a lot. It is up to $240,000. Or they have lots of lights, lines, paint on them, and mainly all the concrete costs the most. Now for these big cargo planes or anything like that, the cost of a Boeing 747, they might actually use those, like for cargo planes or anything. I don't know why though. They go to 140 million to 250 million if you're going to buy one. And for an Airbus A380, it costs up to 350 million. Well, of course, because they have two layers. Well, my plane doesn't right now. And the cost to build the 747 is $200 million, and the A380 is $300 million. Now I'm going to a air hangar, just here. Now these cost.
You have 5 minutes left of computer time.
These cost a lot more than you think they do. Air hangars cost up to about 80,000 to 150,000, but they can cost more depending on size or location. For tanks, they spend up to 65. To buy a tank, it costs up to $65 million, which I think is quite a lot. And finally, my last thing is a stealth fighter jet, and this goes up to $150 million. I don't know why they're so expensive, but it's just like that. Now I'm going to the scoring board of how much people spend on the military or army, and right back here at 5th place we have France. 4th place, United Kingdom. 3rd place, Russia. 2nd place, China. 1st place, United States. That's pretty obvious since they're such a huge country. Now, way back at 13th place, amazingly, which is actually quite a relief, is Australia, which I think is quite amazing myself, and yeah. Right, this is my Minecraft video on BTN, so thanks for watching.